Goonj India, making the glorious culture of India eternal. India's rich heritage spans centuries, yet access to cultural knowledge remains limited. Traditional learning methods struggle to keep up with changing preferences. How do we ensure that India's cultural wisdom reaches everyone, students, travelers, and researchers alike? Imagine a dynamic knowledge overlay on India's map, where history isn't just written in books, but experienced. Goonj India brings India's heritage to life through mobile-based, multilingual audio guides. No app needed, just scan, listen, and explore. Geo-triggered genius, no taps, no scans, stories unfold automatically as you move. Goonj India senses your location and whispers history into your ears at just the right time. It even enhances your experience with location-specific music tunes, making every place come alive. AI-powered accessibility, AI-enabled language translation and text-to-audio conversion make heritage knowledge universally accessible. Users can effortlessly document their journeys with personalized travel diaries, preserving their experiences seamlessly. Goonj India transforms heritage education with immersive storytelling. Built on authentic and verified sources, making India's legacy engaging and interactive. AI personalizes recommendations based on GPS, interests, and travel modes, creating a truly intuitive experience. From ancient crafts to Vedic sciences, Goonj India preserves and shares India's indigenous wisdom, integrating it into education and research. Beyond storytelling, Goonj India offers invaluable data on visitor patterns, crowd management, and digital education trends, supporting government and institutional decision-making. Learning should be fun. Goonj India features interactive trivia, rewards, and challenges, making heritage education engaging. Users can explore AI-recommended tours, follow guided paths, or navigate freely. With flexible UPI payments, it offers both free and premium experiences, democratizing access to cultural knowledge. Seamlessly accessible via Android, iOS, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and smart glasses, it ensures effortless discovery for all. History isn't meant to be locked in books, it should be lived, felt, and shared. Goonj India, resonating with India's glorious heritage. Goonj India, where AI meets Indian history on the spot.